Hi, I'm Dr. Georgia Sheahan from North Brisbane Dental Clinic, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about mandibular advancement splints, otherwise known as MAS. Some people also just call these anti-snoring devices or sleep apnea splints. So, a few things to discuss about these bad boys. There are different types of sleep apnea and different types of snoring. Not everyone who snores has sleep apnea, and not everyone who has sleep apnea will snore. These types of splints work by keeping your lower jaw thrust forward while you sleep. So the idea is that with certain types of mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea, as you're sleeping, the lower jaw goes back, which causes the tongue to go back, which causes snoring and obstruction to your airway. So by wearing a splint in your mouth that holds your lower jaw forward, this can help deal with your sleep apnea. So they consist of these two parts. This bit goes on your top teeth, this bit goes on the bottom teeth, and it's got these little wings here that engage and keep your bottom jaw forward in front of your top jaw. We often get the reports from people's sleep partner. Your sleep partner will be sleeping a lot better if your MAS is working well and you're not snoring. But for a lot of people, this is a great alternative to CPAP and can help you sleep and help keep your partner happy.